It's cold up here. Let's explore the snow and meet amazing Arctic animals from A to Z, ready to slide and sing. Let's go! A is for Arctic fox, white as snow. B is for beluga, swimming below. C is for caribou, strong and kind. D is for dove, in the frost we find. E is for ermine, with fur so neat. F is for fish that penguins eat. G is for gull, flying wide. H is for hairy, with ears to hide. I to H, where cold winds blow. Snowflakes sparkle, livers froze. Slide and laugh so happily. It's the Arctic ABC. I is for ice fish, deep and slow. J is for Jaeger, through the snow. K is for killer whale, big and loud. L is for leopard seal, strong and proud. M is for muskox, furry and bold. N is for narwhal, horn of gold. O is for owl, snowy and bright. P is for penguin, dancing light. From I to P, come sing with me across the snow and icy sea. Waddle, jump, and sing with glee. It's the Arctic ABC. Northern lights are shining high. Stars are twinkling in the sky. From frozen lands to icy bay, our Arctic friends come out to play. Q is for quail, tiny and round. R is for reindeer, hoofs on the ground. S is for seal, clapping and cheer. T is for tern, flying near. U is for urchin, under the sea. V is for vole, as small as can be. W is for walrus, whiskers long. X is for xanthus, murrelet song. Y is for Yakutian horse, tough and kind. Z is for zooplankton, small we find. A to Z through ice and snow, where chilly northern breezes blow. Sing together joyfully, it's the Arctic ABC. Great job, explorers! You met all the amazing Arctic animals. Stay warm and see you next time on Happy Songland.